If I had to launch a coaching business from scratch in 2026, I wouldn't open Instagram, I wouldn't post on TikTok, and I wouldn't waste a single afternoon trying to grow on LinkedIn. Instead, I would build the entire thing on Substack. Because right now, a lot of coaches and consultants are burning themselves out on social platforms that promise reach but deliver almost nothing. You post for months, you barely see a return, and your business depends on an algorithm that doesn't care about you. In this video, I will show you the exact funnel I would build on Substack to start or grow a coaching business right now. I will walk you through 3 real funnels of our clients in completely different niches, so you can see how this actually plays out and what to copy depending on where you are right now. So let's get right into it. Let me start with the part that most people building coaching businesses get wrong right now. Most coaches think the path to clients is to build a presence on social. So they post on Insta, they record reels, they comment on LinkedIn, they spend hours every week feeding platforms that don't actually move people closer to working with them. And here's the thing about that. You can do everything right on social and still end the year with no email list, no real audience, and no predictable way to fill your coaching calendar. The platform owns the relationship. It's not you. And we've been hearing the same story from people applying to work with us for months now. They have been creating content for 1, 2, sometimes 3 years. They have followers, they have engagement. But when they want to launch something or open up coaching spots, they have no one to actually sell to because followers are not subscribers and likes are not leads. Substack flips that. Every person who subscribes to your publication gives you their email address. That email goes directly to your own audience. When you launch a coaching offer, you reach the people who actually want to hear from you. And here's the part that makes this perfect for coaches and experts in particular. Your buyers are not impulse buyers. Nobody sees one reel and books a 6-month, $5,000 coaching package. They need to trust you first. They need to understand how you think. They need to feel like they already know you, or at least your philosophy, before they pay you. Long-form content does that way better than any short-form video ever will. Now, if you already have a business or a content engine working somewhere else, this is even better news. You don't have to start from scratch. You can take what's already working and use Substack as a place where you finally own the relationship. I will come back to this in a minute when we look at some of our clients' examples. But if you are starting from scratch, this is the question I want you to ask yourself. If you could only invest in one platform for the next 12 months, would you rather build on rented land or on something you actually own? That's the real shift. We are not talking about Substack instead of social media. It's literally owning your audience instead of borrowing short-term attention. So what does a coaching funnel on Substack actually look like? Most people think a funnel needs to be complicated, but that's not true. The funnels we will walk through in this video all share simple 4 layers. And once you understand these layers, you can map your own business onto them in an afternoon. Layer 1 is your publication on Substack. This is your home base. Your free content lives here, your about page lives here, and every single piece of writing you publish on Substack is doing 2 things at the same time. It's teaching and it's filtering. It's teaching the right people that you can help them, and it's filtering out everyone who is not the right fit. The goal of layer 1 is not to go viral. The goal is to attract the exact reader who could one day become your client. Layer 2 is your entry offer. This is something small enough that someone can say yes without thinking about it for weeks. It could be a free lead magnet that gets them onto your email list. It could be a low-ticket digital product like a guide, a kit, or a mini course. At Right Built Scale, we offer multiple low-ticket products in our Gumroad store. The point of these entry offers is to turn a curious reader into someone who is officially in your world with their email, their trust, and ideally their first small purchase. Now, layer 3 is your mid-tier offer, and this is where Substack does something most platforms just simply simply can't. Your paid subscription tier, your paid product, or your productized service all live here. We are talking somewhere between $50 and a few $100. This layer does two things at once. It generates monthly cash flow that does not depend on you finding new clients, and it gives people a low-risk way to experience what working with you feels like. Layer 4 is your higher ticket coaching or consulting offer. This is where your real revenue comes from. We're talking $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 per client. And the math is simple. If your high ticket offer is $5,000 and you sign one client a month, you've already built a $60,000 a year coaching business. 2 clients a month and you're past 6 figures. And here's what most coaches miss. You don't need a huge volume on layer 4. You need the right people moving through layers 1, 2, and 3 so that by the time they hit layer 4, they have already decided they want to work with you. So the question is not, how do I find 10,000 followers? The question is, how do I make sure the right 100 people meet me, trust me, and want the shortcut I can genuinely offer? That's what the next 3 examples will show you. But before we get into the specific funnels, one quick thing. If everything I just walked you through sounds like the kind of business you want to build, we run a private coaching program where we help coaches, consultants, writers, and experts set up exactly this ecosystem on Substack. You can find the link to apply in the description box below. Now, the first funnel I want to walk you through is Benjamin's. Benjamin runs Digital Citizen, a publication about global mobility. He helps people relocate and retire abroad, a topic most people would call too niche and specific to build a business around. And he's proving them wrong every single month. When Benjamin joined our coaching program, he already had deep expertise. He had obtained 5 residencies, lived long-term in 7 countries, and knew the world of international relocation better than most other people. But he had no system to actually scale his income. He was writing about whatever interested him instead of what his audience actually needed. And he had no clear path to turn someone from being a reader to becoming a client. Now, here's what his funnel looks like today, layer by layer. His layer 1 is the publication itself. It's Digital Citizen with almost 3,000 subscribers and the Substack bestseller badge with over 100 paying members. His articles on the publication are unusually detailed. His longest piece is a 6,000 word guide to getting residency in Mexico, 3 times longer than what most people would recommend on Substack. And that's a deliberate choice. The depth of his free writing pre-qualifies his readers. By the time someone has read 3 of his articles, they already trust him. They trust him with the biggest move of their life, their relocation. Layer 2 is his free lead magnet, the Move Abroad checklist. 20 things you need to do before relocating to another country. It's simple, specific, and exactly the right format for someone who is overwhelmed by the idea of moving abroad. The checklist turns a reader into an email subscriber, and it positions Benjamin as the person who can actually walk them through the whole process. Layer 3 is his expert country decision kit. It's a $47 digital product. This is what he calls his tripwire, a low-ticket offer designed to convert a curious reader into a first-time buyer. The price is low enough that it doesn't require a long sales cycle. But the moment someone buys it, they have crossed an important line. They are no longer just a reader, they are a customer. And customers are dramatically more likely to buy something else from you later on. Layer 4 is the Retire Abroad Blueprint, a 6-week one-on-one program for Americans over 50 who want to retire overseas in the next 5 years. 4 private strategy calls, a fully personalized country and residency plan, money, banking, taxes, healthcare, and a month-by-month action plan, which he sells at $5,000 per client right now. And here's why this funnel works. Each layer is doing exactly one job. The publication builds trust. The checklist captures emails. The $47 kit qualifies serious buyers. The $5,000 blueprint generates the real revenue. Benjamin built all of this in 8 months on a platform he had never touched before. And that's the part I want you to remember. He wasn't writing for years. He didn't have a viral moment on Substack. He just built these 4 layers and let them do do their job. Now, the second funnel I want to show you is Susan. Her funnel looks completely different on the surface, but it follows the same 4-layer logic underneath, with one important twist that I'll get to in a second. Susan's work is all about angel investing and unicorns. She has backed 13 unicorns at pre-seed and seed stage. She has a real track record and she writes for founders who are trying to raise money. Over 3,000 subscribers, already a Substack bestseller, and she's done it without playing the social media performance game as well. Now here's her funnel. Layer 1 is her publication. This is where she writes about how startups actually get funded and why most of the advice founders hear is wrong. Her authority is established in every article. You read one piece and you know within seconds whether she is the person you want to learn from when it comes to fundraising. Layer 2 is her book, Angels and Unicorns. The book is brilliant because it serves two functions at once. It's a credibility asset and it's also an entry offer. Someone who is not ready to pay her directly yet can still get her thinking for the price of a paperback. And the book lives right in her publication's navigation bar, so every visitor sees it. Now layer 3 is where Susan does something I really want you to pay attention to. She gets between 15 and 20 messages a day from founders asking for a quick look at their pitch. Instead of doing those quick looks for free and badly at that volume, she productized them and launched the Raise Ready Business Review. She offers 4 slots per month at $250 and it's delivered within 5 business days. The review is a written assessment of a founder's business against investor readiness criteria, identifying the gaps a real angel investor would find in early due diligence with specific recommendations on what to fix before the next investor conversation happens. And here's the angle that makes her offer so sharp. Most founders who struggle to raise money don't have a problem with their pitch slides. They have a business problem they just haven't spotted yet. So the narrative doesn't land because the unit economics don't hold. The investor asks a question in the third slide they cannot answer because the answer doesn't exist yet. Susan's business review looks at the business behind the pitch, not just the presentation itself. And a founder who is about to walk into an investor meeting will happily pay $250 to know whether the business is actually ready, not whether the deck looks pretty. It's a no-brainer investment for her target audience. And here's the twist. Layer 4 for Susan is not one-on-one coaching. She intentionally doesn't take on one-on-one clients anymore because her time is her most protected resource and she's been clear about that publicly. Instead, layer 4 for Susan is something different. It's brand leverage. Her publication is building the kind of authority that gives her access to the right deals, the right rooms, and the right opportunities at the level she operates at. The business review has a built-in pathway where if she believes a founder is a match, she will make a warm intro to the right people in her network. That's a layer 4 most coaches don't even think about because it doesn't look like a product, it looks like positioning. And she is building toward a scalable mini course on angel investing so she can package what she knows without trading her time for it anymore. Now this is the funnel for the viewer who has expertise but doesn't want to coach. You don't have to. Substack can be the engine that builds an audience valuable enough to open doors money can't open on its own. And what I love about Susan's funnel is that every layer is in service of the next one. The free articles prove her expertise, just like in Benjamin's case. The book proves her depth and the business review proves that she can deliver. And the audience that all of this builds is the real asset. Now the third funnel I want to talk about is for you if you already have a business running somewhere else. Maybe you have a website, maybe you have an existing client base, maybe you've been on LinkedIn for years. This is where Substack plugs into an existing engine instead of replacing it. Our client Travis writes the CCO's journal. He's an agency founder helping creative agencies scale past 7 figures. He's been in media for 27 years and he writes specifically for creative founders who want to grow as leaders. When you open his publication, you will notice something right away. His writing is sharp. Every post is for the same person, the creative agency founder who wants to scale. There's no drift, no off-topic content, no trying to be relevant to everyone out there. He knows who he's talking to and he does it deliberately. Now here's what makes Travis' funnel particularly interesting. He has a high-ticket consulting and mentorship already running through his website. But not every creative founder who reads his work can afford that level of investment yet. So he has built a paid Substack tier specifically as the entry point for those people. His paid tier is built around a multi-hour course delivered in different modules. The first module is live at launch, already around 2 hours of content, and he keeps releasing new models every few weeks as paid posts. So paying members are not just getting more articles, they're getting a full structured program that grows over time. And on top of that, paid subscribers also get exclusive live streams where they can ask him anything and weekly async office hours inside the chat. That means Travis is running all 4 layers on Substack at the same time. Layer 1 is his free publication where his sharp writing attracts the right readers. Layer 2 is the entry into his email list. Layer 3 is his paid Substack tier, which doubles as a structured low ticket offer for the people who cannot pay for one-on-one work yet. And layer 4 is the high ticket mentorship and consulting that lives on his website. That's the part most coaches miss. Your paid Substack tier does not have to compete with your high ticket coaching. It can be the bridge to it. Someone who joins your paid tier for $15 or $20 a month is much more likely to invest in your higher ticket program later on because they've already experienced what working with you feels like. And this is incredibly relevant for 2 types of viewers. The first is the established expert who already has a real business and wants to add a productized layer that scales without more of their time involvement. The second is the coach who has an existing audience on LinkedIn or somewhere else and wants to convert that audience into an owned email list with multiple monetization paths. Travis only launched 2 months ago and he's already built a clean, focused publication with a low ticket offer and a higher ticket offer dialed in. That's the speed advantage of Substack for people who already have an existing business. You are not building from zero. You are plugging in a new top of funnel and a brand new revenue system on top of what you already have. So if you already have offers, a website and clients, you don't need to reinvent your business to use Substack. You just need to point it correctly. So if you are watching this and thinking, this is the path I want to take, here's what I would do in your first 90 days. In your first 30 days, you set up layer 1. You launch your publication with clear positioning. You write your about page so that your ideal client recognizes themselves within the first 3 sentences. And you publish your first 4 to 6 articles, each one written for your exact ideal client persona. You don't worry about layer 2, 3, or 4 yet. You just build a publication that pre-qualifies the right audience. In your next 30 days 30 to 60, you add layer 2. You create one free resource that solves a specific problem your audience has. You add an entry-level digital product if it makes sense for your business, somewhere between $20 to $50. And you start running Substack notes consistently so that your publication is being discovered by people who don't know you yet. You are moving from I have a publication to I have a system that converts readers into emails and first-time buyers. In your final 30 days, days 60 to 90, you add layer 3 and start designing layer 4. You turn on paid subscriptions with a clear value proposition, not just more articles behind a paywall. You build out a coaching offer and productized services that solve a real problem for your audience, and you start having conversations with your readers about it. And then you don't stop. You keep publishing, you keep refining, and you let the 4 layers do their jobs. And here's the part that should make this feel doable. You can build all of this writing 1 to 2 articles a week instead of posting around the clock on 5 different platforms. 90 days might sound fast, and it is, but it's not undoable. The point is not that this is easy for everyone. The point is that this is doable when you have the right system and the right support by your side. Now, if you want to skip the trial and error and build this system with us directly, we run a private program for coaches, consultants, and experts experts who want to use Substack as the engine in their business. We have worked with Benjamin, Susan, Travis, and dozens of other clients, and we'd love to see if you are a right fit for the program as well. You can find the application link in the description box below, or you can head straight to substackcoaching.com. I will see you there.